Okay, so there's two things going on with long-term care insurance. The cost of care keeps going up, and along with it, so do the premiums for long-term care insurance. And did you know that your premiums can rise even though you already have a policy in force? Yep, you betcha. And what if you never even need to use the policy? That's the reason why most people don't like long-term care insurance in the first place, because many people think it's a waste of money because you may never even use it. So the answer may lie in what's known as a linked benefit insurance policy. This is the kind of hybrid cash value life insurance policy where you'll be able to access the death benefits on that policy for use for yourself in case of long-term care. So normally, of course, a death benefit is paid to your heirs after you're gone, but this way you're able to use a portion or all of those death benefits on yourself before you die to help with your long-term care expenses. So here's a quick hypothetical example of how a linked benefit insurance policy might work. So let's say you'd put $50,000 on deposit in an account with a life insurance company. Assuming you leave that $50,000 alone and don't take it back, if you die without ever needing it for any long-term care for yourself, your heirs would receive, in this example, maybe about $90,000 tax-free on that policy's death benefit. So you turn basically $50,000 immediately upon your death into roughly $90,000 for your heirs. But if you need to do some kind of long-term care along the way, the policy takes a portion of those death benefits and reimburses you for expenses of that care. If you only use some of the death benefit, the remainder is paid to your heirs after you're gone. And here's where it really gets interesting. If you wind up needing more than what the death benefit provides to cover for your long-term care needs, the policy would keep paying for your care up to as much as 2 or even 3 times as much, all tax-free. Of course, the amount of the death benefit and the long-term care benefit will vary based on your initial deposit, your age, insurability, and a few other factors. But this is generally how this concept works. Nobody wants to have their retirement savings decimated by the cost of long-term care. Yet, it is exactly what happens to so many people who aren't prepared for this risk. If you want to know more details on how a linked benefit policy might work for you, just give us a call. We'll be here waiting.